Hi there, Jag here, your Office 365 daily vlogger. Hope you've enjoyed the last 4 vlogs where I've talked about some automation productivity hacks on using OneDrive for Business and Microsoft Flow. So today is a Friday and a fifth episode of the vlog, the automation series. Okay, in this vlog, I'm gonna give you a very simple automation workaround to save a lot of pain. Okay, let's go through the business use case. Okay, let's assume you're a HR and you receive a lot of job applications. Okay, and you receive your job application in your mailbox and you have to go through attachments and then save them into OneDrive for Business. Or you save them to your desktop or wherever, okay, and then you go through them. Okay, how about we automate that process of actually receiving those attachments straight from as soon as you receive a job application with attachments, it automatically uploads them to OneDrive for Business and in a specific folder, okay, so that they're ready for you to go and start shortlisting them. Okay, let's look into it. Let's jump in and have a quick look. Okay, so this one is pretty simple. It's what I've done is I've actually used a existing template. Okay, this particular template has heavily been used, so it's quite a familiar one. Okay, but I've made slight changes to the template though. So here you can actually see that you have an existing template from Microsoft which was used many times. Okay, so it says save Office 365 email attachments to OneDrive for Business. So what it does is, if you just open that up, let's go ahead and just quickly show you what you get, from the basic template itself, and then I'll walk you through the one that I've already created. Okay, so as soon as you get a new email, it gets the details for the email and then it creates a file inside a folder called email attachments for Flow. Okay, it doesn't do any checks around, is it a job application or is it something else. If you run this particular workflow, everything gets every email that you get is monitored and by this particular flow, and the attachments in that email goes into the folder, the email attachments folder, which is good. Okay, but not what we want in our particular use case. Okay, let me go ahead and delete this and I'll actually show you the actual flow that I've created. I should say the one that I've modified a bit. Let me go ahead and just make sure that it's not turned off. Turn workflow off. This is the one that I just showed you. Okay, now this is the one. I've got an existing flow called save job applications. Okay, let me go ahead and open this. Here what you can see, I've actually created a condition, okay, which says I'm checking for certain expressions inside in the subject line or in the body. Okay, if the body contains the word job, or if the subject contains the word job, or subject contains the word application. Okay, if you can and you can use an or statement, and you can, if any of these gets okay, if for say is true, then you go through the attachment and you just save the attachments inside a folder called job applications. Okay, here in my OneDrive for Business, I have a folder called job applications, and the idea is someone sends an email to the to HR or to an alias called jobs@yourcompany.com. Okay, I've already set up the alias for Megan here. I've logged in as a HR Megan, and Megan has got an alias called jobs@whatevercompanyname.com. Okay, you get the idea. So let me quickly go ahead and actually I'll leave this in test mode so that we can actually, as soon as we get an email, as soon as the flow gets triggered, we can actually see what happens. Okay, let me go ahead and just send a quick job application. So I'm sending this to jobs at your organization, on Microsoft.com. I'm just gonna call this as job application. Then I'm gonna insert a CV. Okay, let's assume this is a CV, and job application for sales manager role. Click send. And now let's go back into Megan's flow and see what if the workflow gets triggered. Okay. Yep. So you can see the workflow has just got triggered, and in a second you'll actually see the actual process itself. There you have it. So here you can see that the condition is the result for the condition is true because the subject has got a word called application in it, and also the body has got a word called job in it as well. So instead of saving all the attachments, all the email attachments that you get to this particular mail ID or to the person, you're only monitoring for certain keywords and then you're just saving them across. Okay, now let's go into the files tab and see if we actually there you have it. Actually, I've got an email as well in my inbox with the attachment there as well. So that's a quick automation tip I just want to share with you. So I hope that helps you. You know, if you've got an HR in your organization, you know, share this with them, and you know, let them start using OneDrive for Business and get maximum productivity out of it. Okay, here through my vlogs, I believe in helping people to learn new stuff every day and also maximize the investment in your Office 365 and gain productivity benefits. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you back in the next video. Cheers.